Good morning, my dear students. In last session, already we discussed some problems on exercise 10.2. Okay. In this session, we have to discuss remaining problems for exercise 10.2. Okay. Now, come to problem number 11. That is, what is the problem number 11 means? Show that the vectors 2i minus j plus 2k cap and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k cap are collinear. So this is important for 2 marks. Okay. So now this one I will take A bar, this one I will take B bar. A bar is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. B bar is equal to minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. So now here, so what is the formula means? B bar is equal to lambda A bar, that is minus 4 divided by 2 equal to, see, that is B1 by A1 equal to B2 by A2 equal to B3 by A3. What is B1 here? Minus 4 divided by 2 equal to 6 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 8 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, okay. That is 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. That is equal to minus 2 equal to minus 2 equal to minus 2. Therefore, the given vectors A bar and B bar are collinear. Okay. That is, A bar is given, show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. So these two vectors we have to show that collinear. What is collinear condition? B1 divided by A1, B1 divided by A1, B2 divided by A2, B3 divided by A3. What is A bar? 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. What is B bar? So minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k, that is minus 4 divided by 2 plus 6 divided by minus 3 minus 8 divided by 4, that is 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 4 ones are, 4 twos are. That is, so ratio will be same. Okay. Therefore, the given vectors are collinear. This is the solution for 11th problem. So we will move on next problem. Come to 12th one. So what is 12th problem means? Find the direction cosines of I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Already I told direction cosines of the vector. Here there are two formulas for direction cosines. When vector form is given, formula is L is equal to plus or minus A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to minus or plus B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to plus or minus c divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, when vector form is given, this formula. Suppose when angles is given, suppose 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree will give. So that time we have to find cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. When angles is given, you have to take cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. When vector form is given, you have to take these formulas. So what is vector here? That is a bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So direction cosines are L, M, N. So this is a form of ai plus bj plus ck. What is a value? 1. What is b value? 2. What is c value? 3. That is L is equal to plus or minus a divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. M is equal to minus or plus b divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. N is equal to plus or minus c divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Therefore, L is equal to, what is a value? A value is 1. What is b value? B value is 2. What is c value? C value is 3. That is 1 plus or minus 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. M is equal to minus or plus 2 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Here 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. N is equal to plus or minus 3 divided by square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Therefore, L is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 14. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is root 14. M is equal to minus or plus 2 divided by root 14. N is equal to plus or minus 3 divided by root 14. These are direction cosines of your vector. Okay, when vector form is given, you have to find direction cosines. You have to use these formulas. Okay, when angles is given, so direction, we have to find direction cosines. You have to take cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Okay, this is the solution for problem number 12. Okay, you will move on next problem. Next, find the direction cosines. Problem number 13. Find the direction cosines. Direction cosines we will write in the short form DCS. Okay, find the DCS of the vector joining the points that is A of 1 comma 2 comma minus 3, b of minus 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, directed to A to B. Now you have to find direction cosines. Direction cosines of the vector joining points. Okay, first we have to find vector joining points. Okay, first we have to find a vector. Here points is given, you have to find vector. You have to take vector joining 2 points formula, and then for that vector we have to find DCS. Now this one I will take, this is A point, this is B point, this one x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Now I want to find AB bar is equal to, formula is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, that is AB bar is equal to, so x2 is minus 1 minus 1 I cap plus y2 is minus 2, y1 is 2 minus 1 j cap plus z2 is 1 minus plus 3 k cap. That is AB bar is equal to minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap. So that is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 j cap, 1 plus 3 is 4 k cap. For this vector we have to find direction cosines. That is, I will take direct formula. L is equal to minus 2, this is A, this is B, this is C. A value is minus 2, B value is minus 3, C value is 4. Minus 2 divided by square root of minus 2 whole square means 4 plus minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 16. M is equal to minus 3, minus or plus or minus both are same. So minus 3 divided by, so 4 plus 9 plus 16. 4 plus 9 plus 16. So N is equal to plus or minus, so plus or minus 4 divided by, see, A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. C divided by square root of A square plus, that is 4 plus 9 plus 16. Here minus is there, that's why minus or plus. Here also actually formula is, here plus or minus will come, here minus or plus will come, here plus or minus will come. Because when you will take M value, it will take complementary of cosine. So supplementary of cosine. That's why here minus or plus will come. Okay, that is minus or plus. So here minus is there, that's why minus or plus, plus or minus. That is L is equal to, so minus or plus 2 divided by square root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. Therefore L is equal to, so that is minus or plus 2 divided by 16 plus 4 is 20, 29. So M is equal to minus or plus 3 divided by square root of 29. So N is equal to plus or minus 4 divided by root 29. So these are the direction cosines of your given vector. Okay. So now observe students, find the DCS for vector joining the points. Okay. Here joining points is given. Joining points. Okay. So first points is given. First you have to find vector. So what is vector? So what is vector here? AB bar formula is x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap, z2 minus z1 k cap. First you have to find a vector and then we have to find direction cosines for that vector. That is minus 1 I cap minus 2 so minus 2 minus 1 j cap, that is 1 plus 3 k cap. So that is here minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. That is take formula. L is equal to plus or minus, actually in formula plus or minus is there, but here minus is there. That's why I have to take what? Minus or plus. Okay, minus or plus 2 divided by root 29. M is equal to minus or plus 3 divided by root 29. N is equal to plus or minus 4 divided by root 29. Okay, so thank you everyone.